Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Data Studio to visualize sales and ad metrics, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Data Studio. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. Once in Data Studio, click on the blank report button to create a new report. In the pop-up window, choose the data source you want to connect to. If your data source is not listed, click on the Create New Data Source button. Select the appropriate connector for your sales or ad metrics, such as Google Sheets, Google Ads, or BigQuery. If using Google Sheets, click on the Google Sheets option. Browse and select the spreadsheet that contains your data. After selecting your spreadsheet, click on the Connect button. You will see a preview of your data. Make any necessary adjustments to the data fields and types. Click on the Add to Report button once you are satisfied with the data. Your data source is now linked to your report. To visualize your data, click on the Add a Chart button in the toolbar. Choose the chart type that best represents your metrics, such as a time series, bar chart, or pie chart. Drag and drop the chart onto your report canvas. Select the data source you previously connected in the chart settings. Customize your chart by adding metrics and dimensions relevant to your sales and ad data. Adjust the chart's styling options to fit your report's aesthetic. To add additional charts, repeat the process of adding a chart and customizing it. Once you have all your visualizations set up, arrange them on the report canvas. Consider adding interactive filters to allow users to explore data more easily. To add a filter, click on the Add a Control button. Choose the filter type, such as drop-downs or sliders. Place the filter on the report and configure its settings. Preview your report to see how everything looks together. Make any final adjustments to the layout and design for better readability. Finally, click on the Share button to set up sharing options for your report. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.